Hello, second grade. Here we are. I am looking and searching. I thought if I wore two pairs of glasses, maybe I could see you better. Can I see you? Can I see you? Hey, don't laugh at me. I heard that. Okay. No, really. Mrs. Kraft is looking for somebody who's got a good attitude today, who is ready to do some fun math. Are you ready? If we get our attitude right and get our focus put on, we can snap through this math paper in no time at all. Guess what? Today you are on lesson 144. The two turtles down here wrestling for your speed drill. Do your best. We have multiplication at the top. Speedy Sam. Dividing in the middle. Speedy Sam. And adding and subtracting at the bottom. Do your best, and I know you can do it. Okay, before we get started on our paper, let's practice some times tables. I'm hearing from moms that people don't know their times tables. You know what? I get it. Mrs. Kraft knows that if we were in school, we would be practicing these a lot more. We'd be having our road races. We would be doing all kinds of practice, climbing the mountain, playing captain of the ship. That's right. But when you're home all by yourself, it's hard to play those games. We're going to practice the two family today. So are you ready? Let's see if we can go clap, clap, snap, snap, answer. Can we do that? Okay. Let's see. We're going to go down the times table. See right there at the 2? 0 times 2 all the way down. Then we're going to do the divided bys. Okay. You got your answers ready? Okay. Here we go. 0 times 2 equals 0. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 2 equals 8. 5 times 2 equals 10. 6 times 2 equals 12. 7 times 2 equals 14. 8 times 2 equals 16. 9 times 2 equals 18. 10 times 2 equals 20. 11 times 2 equals 22. 12 times 2 equals 24. Did you do okay with that? Woo! Sometimes our brains get a little backwards. I hope you can practice those. If you need to do it again, rewind, play again. Okay, let's do the divided bys. Are you ready? Here we go. 0 divided by 2 equals 0. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. 22 divided by 2 equals 11. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. Sorry, Mrs. Kraft's reading backwards. I know, it looks forward on your side, but it looks backwards on my side when I look at the computer screen. Clap, clap, snap, snap, da, da. Did you get it? Okay. 0 times 2 equals 0. 1 times 2 equals 2. That's fun, isn't it? You can practice your 2 family, your 5 family, your 10 family, your 1 family. 2s are just doubling the number. We're just doubling the answer. 1 and 1, 2, 2 and 2, 4, 3 and 3, 6. Right, we're just doubling the answer. I appreciate you hanging in there with Mrs. Kraft with our snap, snap, clap, clap. Good job. Okay, so you're doing your speed drill today. You didn't do one last week because we had a test on Friday. So now today I want you to find for me your paper. We're not going to play around today. I think it's time we have a little bit shorter math lesson just because I'm hearing from some parents that we're getting a little bit weary, a little bit tired. So I thought today, being a Monday, we make it a little bit shorter. We're going to go through our paper. We're not going to do everything together. There'll be some for you to do. But if you're hanging in there with me, you'll get a lot of the free answers. Really, you're going to be doing the answers for us. And maybe at the end, we'll see what time it is. Maybe we'll do a little bit more, okay, fun games. At the top, it says, mark this circle under the fraction of the number of the chipmunks in the group. How many things are in that group? Calvin, how many things are in that group? Yes, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that there are 4 parts, okay, to this fraction. So we're talking about our bottom number. Our bottom number is going to be 4. Kellen, how many chipmunks are there? Yeah, just 1. So what is my fraction going to be, Kellen? That's right. My fraction is at 1/2, 1/4, or 1/3? Kellen, which one did you say? He said 1/4 because 1 part of my group is a chipmunk. That's right. 4 tells me how many pieces all together. 1 tells me how many are chipmunks. Nice. Find a crayon. We're just going to get this started, and you're going to finish the rest on your own. So find a crayon. Well, any color is fine. I'm going to pick green. Okay. It says, color the graph to show how many animals the children saw on their Rocky Mountain camping trip. We're counting by what? Oh, this will tell us. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's just like we just counted. That 2 family right over there. We are counting by 2s. Now it says 10 elk. Elk is right here in this row going up, not going across. Did you hear that? We're going up. So how many elk do we have, Quinn? That's right, we have 10. So let's color all the way up for 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 to the top. Okay, color that in for me nice and neat. I'm going to color mine while you color yours. Do your best job. Okay, did you get yours done? So we have 10 all together. Adeline, the next one is moose. How many moose do we have? Look for your moose down here. That's right, we only have 2. So where am I going to color, Adeline? I'm going to stop right here where it says 2, right above moose. Nice job. Okay, so color that in. Okay, do you know what to do? I think you do. After we finish our video, then you can come back and finish this part together. Color neatly. Follow the code that's down here below. It'll tell you how many for each animal. Let's go down to the clocks and the thermometers. Okay, clocks and thermometers. Caleb, I'm going to ask you to help me on the first clock. Okay, the first clock. Okay, remember, you help me, Caleb. Remember, is the hour hand the short or the long one? Short or long for hour? Yeah, that's right. You said short, and the minute hand is longer. Remember, the word hour is short. Let's show it on here. Some people forget this since we're not in school. Okay, remember the word hour is short, so it's my shorter hand, and my minute is longer. And what do we count by, Caleb? Help us again. That's right, we're going to count by 5. So let me get my clock behind us. You count that up for us, Caleb, okay? Ooh, nice time. I know what time it is. Let's see if Caleb knows what time it is. Okay, Caleb, this is what our clock says. So what time is it? Here's my hour. This is my minutes. Okay, what's my hour going to be, Caleb? Is it going to be 4 or is it going to be 5? Caleb says 4, right, Caleb? Is that what you said? Okay, and what's my minute hand going to be? Let's count by 5s all the way around. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Nice work, Caleb. If you said the time like Caleb said, get rid of my little thingy here. If you said the time was like Caleb, awesome job, 4:55, you are correct. It has not got up to the 5 o'clock yet. So if we take this up to 5, then it is 5 o'clock. But right now, it has not gotten there yet. Okay, let's do temperatures. Okay, Hunter, let's look at the next one. What is the temperature? Remember, we're going to count by 2s. Start at 70 because that's the highest it goes. We're going to start right there at the 70. Oh, we have an in-between number. That's right. So what is it, Hunter? Do you remember what it is? We count by 2s, and that in-between is worth 1. And the answer is Hunter, you have got it right. I heard Hunter all the way at school say 73 degrees. Wouldn't it be great if it was 73 degrees outside today? Woo, you'd feel like summer had hit. That's right. Back to a clock again. Let me get rid of this. And it's Benjamin's turn. Benjamin, on our next clock. Ooh, okay, Benjamin. Gotta do a little thinking on this one. Okay. Ben, what is my hour going to be? Remember, my hour is my shorthand. What is my hour going to be? Okay. Ben said the hour is going to be 6. And what's my minutes going to be? I'm going to count by 5. Stop. Oh, it's covered. Let's cover it up. See if you can tell me. What is the, yeah, that's right. 5, 10, 15, 20. So what is my hour and my minutes going to be? Oh, let's put this back over here because it's just going to fall off otherwise. Okay, what is it? Yeah, good job. Ben said 6:20. Did you say 6:20 too? Okay, very good. Let's go to our temperature. Okay, Abel, this one's yours. Abel, we're going to start at 50. Oh, we have another between number. So we're going to start at 50 and count up carefully. Okay, whoop, here's the 50. Right there's the 50. And count up 52, 50. Hey, those kind of the same number before. Yeah, it's 53 degrees. Write the times and temperatures at the campground. Do you think 53 would be in the middle of the day or the morning at campground? I think it would be at the beginning of the day, wouldn't it? And the middle of the day would be more like the 73 degrees, wouldn't it? That'd be great if you were camping. Okay, so you're going to finish that graph in the middle all by yourself. We have the rest of the paper done. Let's turn over to the back. Okay, on the back at the top, we have some problems. Okay, I would like for you to do 1, 2, 3, and 4 right now. Okay, I'm going to give you a little over a minute, and I want you to see if you can get those done. And then we're going to check our answers. Those are easy. They're kind of like what's just exactly on our speed drills. Okay, get those answers done while I get something ready. Okay, are you working? If you're not done, hit the pause button until you finish and then start me up again, okay? And that way you don't hear the answers ahead of the game, okay? Let's go to Kendall. Kendall, first one is going to be yours. 8 plus 9. What is 8 plus 9, Kendall? And the answer she told us is, awesome job, Kendall. She said 17. Nice job. Okay, Roman, what is 12 plus 8? 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 is, 12 plus 8 is, Roman, nice. He knew it. Terrific job. 20. Okay, let's go to Brady. Brady, next one's yours. What's 11 plus 6? 11 plus 6. That's easy, he says. He already knows this. Yeah, he loves math. Brady is my math man. 17. Nice job, Brady. And the last one, subtracting. Okay, Ella. 17 minus 2. 17 minus 2. She's thinking. I can hear her wheels turning. Oh, thank you for the answer. It is 15. We just got all 4 of those done. Look at those Rocky Mountains. They are gorgeous. When Mrs. Kraft goes out west to see Lindsay, it is beautiful. And Graham and Brian, that's right. Okay, now we have 3 problems right here. They're on the board behind me, but I need some helpers. Okay, Madison, we're going to see if you can help me on the first one, okay? Madison, I have 27 minus 9. Can I do 7 minus 9? I can't, so I need to borrow, okay? So help me, Madison. What am I going to do? Okay, she said cross out the 7, cross out the 2. 2 is going to become a, it's going to become a 1. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 minus 9. Hey, there's that 9 trick. Remember our 9 trick? When I have 9 on the bottom, I add these 2 numbers together, the 1 plus the 7. And 1 plus 7, Madison, is 8. That is way easier than going 17 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, counting all the way up. Use these tricks to help you, okay? Now, Madison, what is 1 minus invisible 0? That's right, it's 1. So your answer should be 18. Did you get 18? Good job. Next person is Layla. Okay, Layla, we're adding this time. Oh, what's 8 plus 9? 8 plus 9 is 17. Carry it, put down a 7, carry a 1. 1 plus 3, Layla, is, she knew that answer. It is 4. The answer is 47. Nice work. Okay, next person is Lucas. Lucas, sorry, your clothespin fell over. Lucas, we are on 20 minus 6. Can I do 20 minus 6? Can I do 0 minus 6? No, I need to borrow. Cross out the 0, cross out the 2. The 2 is going to become it's going to become a 1. 10 plus 0 is 10. So 10 minus 6, Lucas. What's 10 minus 6? Yeah, he's good at math too. 4. 1 minus 0 is, 1. So 14 is your answer. Was that hard? Not in the least bit. If you look at the bottom, it doesn't look like very much work, does it? You may do some of this work on your little square, okay? We're going to go across horizontal, A, B, C, D. But some of this you can do in your brain. This was kind of getting us ready for those tests we usually take. The tests that we don't have to take, that's right, because we're not in school. That means that we're going to do some thinking carefully and get the answers right now. Okay, are you ready? Let's go back up to Calvin. Calvin, what's 7 plus 8? Is it 14, 15, 16, or NH means not here? So what is 7 plus 8, Calvin? Did you get an answer? Okay, Calvin's answer was this. See if your answer matches Calvin's. Calvin said it was 15. Did you get it right? Okay, letter B. Now, you can add up right here and actually do the problem. If this was on a real big test, we couldn't do it. But this is on our paper, so we can do it today. Kellen, are you ready? Let's see if we can do it. 50 plus 32 plus 27. Let's do the ones house first. Kellen, we always start in the ones house, not the tens, not the hundreds. We always start in the ones house. 0 plus 2, when we're looking for tens, remember 2, okay? 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 7 is, it's 9. Do we have anything to carry? Kellen, look at the next row. Do we have any tens? Kellen said we have 5, and then 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 plus 5, Kellen, it's 10. So let's write our 10 down. The answer is 109. Do we have 109 on our choices? The very first one is 109. Good job. So let's color that in. Kellen, good thinking today. That's right. Okay, let's go over to letter C. Okay, let's go to Adeline. Adeline, something plus 5 equals 13. Something plus 5 equals 13. Is it 6 plus 5, 7 plus 5, 8 plus 5, or is the answer not here? Which one, Adeline? Yeah, you can count up 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop when you get to 13, or you can do 13 minus 5, which is easier. And your answer is, I hope she said this. I think this is what she said. Okay, it's 8. She's so busy thinking about her guinea pigs. Yeah, make sure that you think about this too. Thanks. I hope you don't have 8 guinea pigs. That would be so many guinea pigs. Okay, let's go over to letter D. Okay, Quinn, 50 minus 30. Now, Quinn, we could do it on this side, but you know what? Let's do it horizontally, okay? What is 0 minus 0? Yeah, it's 0. And what is 5 minus 3? Pretty easy. 2. Okay, whoop, my marker didn't. There we go. So the answer is 20. Which one's 20? 80, 20, 30, and not here. So we're going to mark 20. Nice job, Quinn. You did that horizontal thinking. Good job. Okay, letter E. Here we go, Caleb. You're going to do a big subtracting problem. Are you ready? We're going to walk through it together. Can I do 1 minus 6? One finger cannot take 6 away. Tell me what to do, Caleb. I'm going to cross out the 1. Borrow from the 3. 3 is going to become a 2. And 10 plus 1 is 11. Nice work. Okay, so what's 11 minus 6? You don't need to take your socks off and use your toes. You can use your fingers. Yeah. 11 minus 6 is, hey, nice. He said it is, oh, my marker is just, Mrs. Kraft might have to get a new marker. Okay, 5. Nice work. 2 minus 2 is, you knew that one. 0, and 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. Did you get 605? Now, Caleb, is 605 over on our choices? 857, 615, 705, or not here? Which one? Correct. It is not here. So we're going to mark that NH. That would be good practice if we were doing our test, wouldn't it? Let's go to 12 times 5. Hunter, 12 times 5. Oh, he says, all you have to do, Mrs. Kraft, just think about the clock. How many minutes are on a clock? Because 12 is our biggest number, times 5. And that answer is, Hunter, how many minutes are in an hour? Correct. 60. Yeah. He's one sharp tack today, too. I have lots of sharp tacks out there. You guys are really, really good. Okay, 22 divided by 2. Benjamin, 22 divided by 2. 2 times something that equals 22. We're going to put that times sign up there in the corner to remind us. 2 times something that equals 22. How am I going to find that answer? Yeah, I can count by 2s, see how many fingers I have up. Or maybe you already know it. Do you know, Benjamin? Is it 2 times 8? Is it 2 times 10? Is it 2 times 12? Or is the answer not here? Let's see. What's 2 times 8, Ben? 16. 2 times 10? 20. 2 times 12? 24. Is the answer there? No. Do you know what 2 times? Yes, it is 2 times 11. And we are going to mark not here. Good job. Okay, last one. It's kind of like a little small speedy Sam. And that's Abel. Abel, you ready? 7 plus 8 plus 3. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 3 is, hey, nice. It is 18. Is our answer there? Let's check and see. 20, 19, 18. You did a fantastic job, class. I am super proud of you. We just got the whole back of that done. You just have a little bit more to do on this side. Whoops, sorry, Mrs. Kraft has been rubbing it off. You don't have very much more to do. I am really happy for you. You know what? This means a little shorter math class today. And sometimes that is a nice thing, isn't it? Is to have a little shorter class. I think we're going to stop right there for today. Mommy and you might need a break today. And maybe you want to get ahead on some other papers. So we're going to call it quits for today. I wish I could play more games with you. Maybe tomorrow. I have one in mind. Maybe tomorrow we can play a little game. I don't know how it'll really work, but we can try. Make sure you're always practicing and thinking carefully while you do your work. Okay, I'll talk to you later. See ya. Bye.